data and we want to implement and get the results according to our requirements on those data sets. Okay, now we can have another example. Okay, there are two types of the supervised learning as we have already discussed. One is regression and other is classification. Classification problem is when we have the category like this color is red, this color is blue, this is disease or no disease. Okay, this example is totally related to our binary classification problem. If we have this type of problem that we have to identify whether it's disease or not, then we are going to implement the binary classification algorithm because it has two number of classes. What the point? If there is another class where we have to classify our data set, then we will go for the multi-classification algorithm. Okay, now regression is a type of supervised learning that it predict continuous values. We do not know what the exact value is. Price of the house, it can vary from one point to the other. Stock prices, as we all know, that at certain point it rises or declines with the trends. Okay, regression algorithm learn that maps from the input features and output value. Okay, what does that mean? It means that it learns the feature when we give them the data initially, and then their value is defined on the input of the features that we have given to them. Okay, it includes linear regression, polynomial, sport vector machine is the biggest algorithm, most commonly used algorithm in machine learning and artificial intelligence. So decision trees, random forest regression. Okay, now we will see that some common classification algorithms which are used. Logistic regression is one of them. Sport vector machine, decision trees, random forest, naive bayes. Okay, for regression we evaluate these models. Metrics are used, for example mean squared error, root mean squared error, mean absolute error. Okay, for classification we apply accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, confusion matrix. Okay, now we will see some applications of the supervised machine learning. Spam filtering, image classification, medical diagnosis, fraud detection, natural language processing. So these are the advantages and the disadvantages. So that okay, we will finish our lecture here. We will go for the next one, inshallah.